with credit questions.
Okay.
Credit questions. Now, can you tell me what is debentures? Niharika, Balendra, can you answer? No, you cannot answer. Huh? What is this? Why? Why so bad? Change. You change your cell phone. Change. Huh? Why are you not changing it so that you can talk? Doesn't matter. Otherwise, I have to disturb only Niharika. Niharika, are you aware of this paper that I have given you? Yeah. This paper I have given you, you are aware of this?
Yes, sir. So I have not framed answers for now, but I'll start in from tomorrow framing answers for all these questions.
Yeah. So in fact, this was asked in PNB SO Credit Manager Scale 2 interview, PNB Corporate Office Gurgaon. The duration was 10 minutes, 4 members. Please read the questions, Niharika.
First question is introduce yourself.
Read.
Con- Continue reading.
Yeah. Read all. Then we may take 2 or 3 for discussion.
Okay. Uh, First question is introduce yourself. Next is why do you want to come to bank? Next is why you did not apply for banking job before. Next is what is CMA. Next is what are different reports of CMA. Next is what is profitability ratio. Then formula of gross profit and net profit. Then what is debt equity ratio and what is its formula. Next is which sector at present is lucrative for financing. Next is what comes under infrastructure financing. Then what is the process involved in financing road projects? And how RBI adjusts liquidity in the economy? What are the types of government securities and what is HTM?
Yeah. These are the questions asked for this candidate. Here, can you expand what is CMA, Nigarika?
CMA is credit monitoring arrangement.
Good. Shall we read about that? You know about it? I think you may not know it.
So
Do you know?
CMA is, sir, I know partly,
Tell me.
not properly. CMA is a credit monitoring arrangement. In this, uh, credit officers put the data and this and after putting all the data, a proper report comes out, and credit officers just have to comment on those points.
Credit monitoring arrangement is a financial report used by lending institutions to monitor and analyze a company's financial situation prior to granting credit. It shows the company's past and projected financial statements, ratios, and metrics. Credit monitoring can also refer to the process of checking one's credit score and report regularly to avoid errors and fraud. What is credit monitoring arrangement of data for a report? What is credit monitoring arrangement report? Vital tool, credit monitoring arrangement overview. But one more question I had it here. What is that? What is CMA? What are the different reports of CMA? Do you know about it?
No, sir, I don't know about the reports.
One minute. credit monitoring arrangement. I think I have given you one bank promotion booklet. Na? In that
Yes, sir.
bank promotion booklet, there is one book known as our Indian Bank's promotion policy. In that, under credit management, we can credit monitoring arrangement, we can see. Just a minute. I'll just try to find out whether it is there. Bank promotion. Or we can straight away search Indian Bank promotion booklet.
Hello, am I
Yeah, yeah.
audible to you, sir?
Yeah, Balendra, now only you have come after so many minutes.
रही है अब आपकी नहीं आ रही है सर
Acha?
आपकी नहीं आ रही है
Hello. Yeah. Mine is it is moving here. It is moving here. I think Niharika can hear me. I can hear Niharika. Now I
Yes,
am
sir. I
able to.
can hear both of you.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Balendra, I suggest you change your cell phone and attend classes so that you'll be able to listen to us. Here, corporate credit, it will come under corporate credit. It will come under corporate credit, 438.
So one link you provided in bank promotion is not working.
Acha, I can give you just a minute. Somebody told me and I rearranged that one. I made another one for that. Bailendra, आपको बैंक रिपोर्ट काम करता है? Maybe you would not have tried seeing that. Video links. Just a minute. Video links. Yeah, I have put it another one here. Bank promotion. I will find for you. Credit officer interview. Bank promotion folder. I am giving you in our. You are member of which group? PNB. Correct, na? Excuse me. You are member of which group? Niharika.
So PNB.
Yeah. 1 minute. I'll put you into PNB's group. Web, WhatsApp. Just a minute. Just a minute. Hold on. PNB. PNB credit officers interview. I am giving the link there. Please click that one now. Balendra, you also click and see whether it is working. Please check up. Is it working?
So it's loading still.
It is working. It is working. Correct. Good. It's working, ma. Only thing is your internet should be good.
हाँ सर, it's working now.
यहाँ पर देखिए, of course, see, more or less similar questions will be asked, not necessarily bank promotion. And these materials are useful. This one is the latest one they have brought out. Bank promotion material. This is another one. Bank promotion interviews. Here, ease reforms, G20 union budget. This is current banking update. This one is okay. And another one I was trying to tell you about foreign exchange book I have given you. Then circular recap. Then FAQ on policies like this. Advanced financial management. Now my only question is, what are the returns to be submitted in the case of credit monitoring arrangement? That, of course, they may not ask you, but they have asked for scale 2. They may not ask for you because you are going only for scale 1. Anyhow, let us search here in Google, India, returns under credit monitoring arrangement. Let me check it up what it says. Now, credit monitoring arrangement overview and documents required. So, Bailendra, your mic is okay now? Not okay. Then, Nigarika, can you read now? Credit monitoring arrangement reports.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Credit monitoring arrangement report has been in operation since October 1988. Between 1965 and 1988, the credit authorization scheme was the key instrument of credit control. Credit authorization scheme is being used by RBI to regulate bank credits exceeding the prescribed credit limits directly.
Read.
Under the credit authorization scheme, prior approval by the RBI for credit above specified limits was required. These conditions and the limits of credit were revised from time to time. Initially, the credit authorization scheme was reviewed as a measure to prevent utilization of scarce credit resources by some large borrowers. Later, the recommendations by the core committee and Tandon Group were incorporated in the CAS scrutiny of credit proposals by banks. Generally, the RBI authorization involved long delays, which was disliked by the banks and their customers. Also, their system of monitoring the disbursement of bank credit was a concern.
It is known as Chore Committee.
Okay.
Chore Committee. Yeah, please read.
What is a CMA report? CMA report, also known as Credit Monitoring Arrangement Report, is the report showing the projected performance and the past performance of a business in financial terms. It is compiled with all the required financial ratios and metrics to help financial analysts and bankers to ascertain the financial health of a business. Most of the banking and financial institutions request the applicant to prepare a credit monitoring arrangement report in order to understand the flow and application of funds in a business. A CMA report, which is professionally prepared, can enhance the chances of obtaining a bank loan. Under the CMA, banks have been permitted for sanctioning credit proposals after detailed analysis of the past performance. There is another requirement by the banks. They need to submit the large credit proposals to the Reserve Bank of India for post-sanction scrutiny. These proposals involve working capital limits of rupees 500 lakhs and above, and your term loan in excess of rupees 200 lakhs. Which are the statements covered in the CMA report? It covers the following statements. First one is particulars of current and proposed limits. The first statement in the CMA report states about the existing fund and non-fund based credit limits, the uses limits and history. In addition to this, the statement also contains the proposed or applied limit of the borrower. This document is a basic document which is to be provided by the borrower to the banker. Operating statement. This is the second statement which indicates the borrower's business plan, showing the current sales, profit before and after tax, sales projections, direct and indirect expenses, and profit projection for 3 to 5 years. These requirements are case-to-case specific on the basis of the borrower's working capital request. This is a scientific analysis of existing and projected profit-generating capacity of the borrower. Next is analysis of balance sheet. This is a third statement in the CMA data. This statement contains an analysis of the current and projected financial years. It helps in providing a comprehensive analysis of the current and non-current assets, current and non-current liabilities, and cash and bank position of the borrower. This statement also specifies the net worth position of the borrower for the future projected years. As the name says, it is the analysis of the balance sheet and gives a complete picture of the financial position of the borrower. Next is comparative statement of current assets and current liabilities. This is the fourth statement which provides the comparative analysis of the movement of the current assets and current liabilities. Basically, this analysis helps to develop the capacity of the borrower to meet the working capital requirements and the actual working capital cycle for the projected period. Calculation of maximum permissible bank finance. This is the fifth statement and a very important one. This includes a calculation which indicates the maximum permissible bank finance. It shows the borrower's capacity to borrow money. Fund flow statement. The next statement is the fund flow analysis for the current and projected period. In this analysis, it indicates the fund position of the borrower with reference to the projected balance sheets and MBBF calculations. The main objective of this statement is to capture the movement of the fund for the given period. Ratio analysis. This is the last statement in CMA report, which provides key financial ratios for the financial analyst and bankers use. The basic key ratios are gross profit ratio, net profit ratios, current ratio, quick ratio, stock turnover ratio, net worth, the ratio of net worth to liabilities, DP limit, MPBF, asset turnover, current asset turnover, working capital turnover, fixed asset turnover, and debt to equity ratio, etc. Other documents or information required to prepare CMA: previous 2 years audited financials, latest sanction letter in case of renewal, provisional financial for the current year, term loan repayment schedule, details of proposed enhancement along with the terms and conditions.
Yeah, 1 minute. I have to give you this one. You are all, this seems to be a very useful one. What is that? PNB credit officers. I am giving the link of this page here so that you can read it in detail if necessary. Again, I will post this video, of course. You can read this. So this is a very important one, credit monitoring arrangement. Now, we were seeing something else. NIACL, this is not required now. Now, credit information. Yeah. So now, candidates, you must be able to answer questions like what is profitability ratio? I think I have already posted a video on this 10 or 15 days back. I have posted videos on profitability ratio, like so many 4 ratios I have collected from a booklet. And are you aware of that, Niharika? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please go through that. Then what is debt equity ratio and what is its formula? This is a very routine question they can ask. So you must be able to answer this. But questions like this are really tough. And I don't know whether they will be asked in scale 1 for you people. This has been asked in scale 2. This is for scale 2, na? Correct. Scale 2, correct. Here, the question like this, which sector at present is lucrative for financing? Super question. Because you people cannot answer this because you have not entered into the bank. You are not inside the bank. You may not know it. And in fact, I am also outside the bank for the last 24 years, 23 years. Now, which sector at present is lucrative for financing? Can we get an answer? Tell me what is there in your mind, which is very safe. Which sector financing is very safe? Tell me.
Sir, I think housing loans financing is safe because in that case, their house is also in hypothecation. In mortgaged.
Then tell me. But the answer is coming differently.
Right, sir.
I'm sure I am not
The
ashamed
real
to say,
estate is also there.
I am not ashamed to say that I don't know, but itna points I. Miss Balendra, I hope you are able to hear us. Now this is how it goes. Acha, now tell me if I share this link with you, will you be able to open it yourself or you cannot open? Where is chat? Shall I give you in chat? Yeah.
So you can copy this and paste it as a message also.
Now I have posted it. Please see. I have given you in what is this? Your Zoom. Please click this one. Balendra, please click this one. This link I have given in the chat. It's okay. Niharika, it is working?
Yes, sir.
Then fine. Then fine.
No, sir, it's not working.
It's not working. Click
No,
करके
it's
देखिए.
saying unable to load conversation.
Oh,
I'm just trying.
so it's not loading. Then what I will do, it's not coming. Now what I will going to do, I'm going to copy this entire thing. And 1 minute, hold on. I will post it in my blog, blogger.com. Yeah, I will post it. Just a minute. What are the things we have given? We have given 2-3 things. One is CMA report. No, what is this? Which sector is financing? Then inflation.
Yes, sir.
Inflation, pros and cons. Then next one, which sectors are safe for financing? That's all. Good. What I will do, I will post this one, confirm. Then I will take you. No, it's not coming. I will open it here. Now it must be possible for you to, if I go to sbank.in, I will get it. sbank.in. You can go to sbank.in and there you will see it. Why it is not coming? Update. I have updated it. And how to share this? Yesbank.in. $25.5 only is there. Latest is not coming. It doesn't matter. I will try to give it to you. Don't worry. It's a useful document for your credit officers. I will try to give this to you. Very good. Anything else you would like to ask? Like this, you people will have to go through various questions, various papers I have given you, and try to improve your knowledge. Now, considering this paper, these questions are very important. What comes under infrastructure financing? This, of course, they may not ask you, but at the level of, say, Bank of India level, if you can see those questions, that is sufficient. See these questions: intro about family background, job experience, then debt equity ratio, ideal ratio, tell things included in it, put another hypothetical question in it, current ratio, ideal ratio, what is inflation, types of inflation, what is CPI. This you cannot answer. Please prepare for this. Then margin of safety formula, tell BEP briefly, break even point. Then Deputy Governor of RBI, Vice President of India, name of economist who won Nobel Prize in economics. This is normal interview. So up to this, you must get yourself prepared. Okay. Please go through in that promotion bank promotion folder also. There will be lot of questions on relating to credit. Please prepare for those things. Okay.
Okay,
And my videos of my videos on this one, I have posted. Playlist, Federal Bank, IDBI, PNB, Specialist Officer. I think within this you will get all the postings I have made. PNB Specialist Officer. Here I have talked about cash flow. Then credit analyst, turnover ratio, like that. NEFT, RTGS, I don't know where, or it may be in our I have been posting in our say newspaper every day, so you can watch from there also. Some of the videos I have posted. Okay, please prepare like that. That will be better. And I have given you there is one material I have given you for balance sheet analysis also. Or you may be having your own material. Please prepare based on that also. Okay. That credit officers folder itself, all these questions are there. Please prepare. But I think your results will come only by 11th or 12th. After the June 4th election results,
yes,
maybe
sir.
one week time they will have, then they will announce. After which I think they may arrive. The one problem is that nowadays banks are not giving more number of days for interview. That is why we have to read now itself. You know, after announcing results, within 1 week, they will conduct interview. So be ready and start preparing, imagining you are getting success in the written test. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Best wishes. We will close for the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow, thank you. Tomorrow, as it is, I have interviews for tomorrow is 31. 31, I have interview at 5:30, 6:30, 7, 7:30. If at all I may meet around after 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock, if you come, if you have doubts, you can ask me. If we have some questions to read, we can read at 8 o'clock. Maybe that girl also may come, that visually impaired girl also may come. That's what it is.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bailendra, please change your internet